If you're a homeowner in Conway, you already know that comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal matter. Whether you plan to sell your home in the near future or simply want to protect your investment, replacement windows are one of the smartest upgrades you can make. New windows don't just improve how your home looks, they add real, measurable value in ways that buyers notice and homeowners appreciate every day. Boosting curb appeal. Instantly, first impressions matter, especially in real estate. Old, faded, or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained home look dated. Replacement windows instantly modernize your home's exterior, giving it a clean, updated appearance. With today's wide range of styles, colors, and frame materials, homeowners in Conway can choose windows that perfectly match their home's character while enhancing its visual appeal. Homes with attractive, well-installed windows stand out in the neighborhood, which can lead to stronger buyer interest and higher offers when it's time to sell. Increasing energy efficiency. Buyers want energy efficiency is no longer a bonus feature, it's an expectation. Older windows often allow air leaks, drafts, and heat transfer that drive up utility bills. Replacement windows are designed with advanced glass technology, tight seals, and insulated frames that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. For Conway homeowners, this means lower heating and cooling costs year-round. For potential buyers, energy-efficient windows signal long-term savings and a well-cared-for home. Many buyers are willing to pay more for a property that won't require immediate upgrades or high monthly expenses. Enhancing comfort and livability. Home value isn't just about resale. It's also about how enjoyable your home is to live in. New windows reduce outside noise, eliminate cold drafts, and provide better temperature control throughout the house. Rooms that once felt uncomfortable suddenly become usable living spaces. When buyers tour a home, comfort plays a major role in their decision-making. A home that feels quiet, cozy, and well-insulated creates a positive emotional response that can directly influence perceived value. Improving safety and security. Modern replacement windows are built with stronger materials, secure locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options. These features offer peace of mind to homeowners and reassurance to potential buyers. A home that feels safe is more valuable. Buyers often notice sturdy windows and secure locks, especially families and long-term homeowners who prioritize security. Reducing maintenance and future costs. Older windows often require constant painting, caulking, or repair. Replacement windows are designed for durability and low maintenance, using materials that resist warping, rot, and fading. For Conway homeowners, this means fewer weekend projects and long-term savings. For buyers, it means less work after moving in, another factor that increases a home's appeal and market value. Delivering a strong return on investment. Replacement windows consistently rank among the top home improvements for return on investment. While they enhance everyday living, they also help homes sell faster and at better prices. Buyers recognize the value of updated windows and often factor them into their offer, knowing they won't need to replace them anytime soon. Even if you're not selling immediately, upgrading your windows protects your home's value while allowing you to enjoy the benefits now. A smart upgrade for Conway homes. From energy savings and comfort to curb appeal and resale value, replacement windows offer a powerful combination of benefits. For homeowners in Conway looking to make a smart, lasting improvement, new windows aren't just an upgrade, they're an investment in the future of your home. When chosen and installed correctly, replacement windows add beauty, efficiency, and value that you'll appreciate for years to come.